Okay, so here the chapter measures of central tendency. The chapter is measures of central tendency. Okay, in this measures of central tendency, we are going to learn, okay, averages, various averages. Okay, so methods. So we have various averages methods. In that various averages method, we have arithmetic mean, median, and mode. These are popular averages methods. Okay, in that we are going to discuss. Okay, so arithmetic mean in this chapter. Okay, so what are the formula we are going to use for finding the arithmetic mean? So arithmetic mean AM, arithmetic mean AM. Okay, so x bar is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 and so on xn divided by n. Okay, means sum of observations divided by number of observations. We have to add all the observations, okay, in the numerator, divide by the number of observations. Okay, we can write the same thing. Okay, so like this also. Okay, summation of xi divided by n, I value from 1 to n, or sigma x by n also we can write. Can also write as sigma x by n. Okay, or if the values are bigger, if the values are bigger, then we use the arithmetic mean formula with assumed mean. We assumed mean. In the middle of the values, we take some value as assumed mean. Okay, and we write that assumed mean value as a, okay, plus sigma di divided by n. What is di? Okay, di is nothing but it is a difference between the original value and assumed mean value. Okay, the
Yes, sir.
difference between xi minus a, that is di. Okay, or okay, if you have frequencies also table. Okay, when we have a frequency table, then we use this formula. Okay, when we have frequency table, okay, so we use this formula as x bar is equals to arithmetic mean, x bar is equals to, okay, so what is the formula here?
Sigma fx by sigma f.
Yes. Okay. So sigma f into x divided by sigma f. Okay, that is the total frequencies. We divide by the total frequencies and the total values for each frequency and corresponding x values. Okay. So in this also, if the values are bigger, in this also, if the values are bigger, then we use the, okay, assumed mean concept again. Assumed mean concept. Okay, so that means a plus sigma ft divided by sigma f. Okay, here we take the middle value as assumed mean, middle value as assumed mean, and we calculate. Okay, and we
Yes, sir.
also use the step deviation method. Okay, step deviation method when we have class interval. When class intervals are given, okay, the table with the class interval, then we use this formula. Okay, step deviation method. This formula or method is called the step deviation method. So we can use the first this formula also. We can also use this formula. Okay, or otherwise, okay. So simplification is easy when we use the step deviation method. Okay. So here, so in this, according to step deviation method, arithmetic mean x bar is equals to a plus summation of I is equals to 1 to n. Okay, fi ui divided by sigma f into h. Here, h is the class interval, ui is the difference. Okay, f is the frequencies, a is the assumed mean. A is
Yes,
the
sir.
assumed mean. Or otherwise, the same thing we can also write it as a plus sigma f into t divided by sigma f into I. Okay, here t is equals to difference. T is the difference here, and I is the class interval. I is the class interval. Okay, so next,
Yes, sir.
what formula here? Corrected mean. Okay, if you take the corrected mean, okay, so how we use this formula? Correct. If you want to find out the corrected mean, okay, we use like this. Correct sigma x is equal correct total. First, we have to find out the correct total. Okay, correct total is equals to incorrect sigma x, total, incorrect total minus sum of incorrect values. Whatever the value is incorrect, we have to subtract that, plus sum of corrected values. Okay, whatever the values are correct, so add that. Okay, so then find the correct mean. Correct mean is equals to, okay, correct sigma x divided by n is the formula. For example, I am taking one example here. For example, okay, your average mass is 85. Your average mass is 85, and instead of 97, one of the observations, okay, replaced with 79. Instead of taking 97, okay, so your mathematics mass, instead of taking 97, okay, you took 79. Okay, so then your average will change. Then how to find out the correct mean? Okay, so then we subtract the wrong value from the total, incorrect total. Whatever we have, will give the incorrect total also. Okay, from the incorrect total, we subtract the wrong value. Subtract the wrong value, or otherwise, okay, so instead of taking the average, okay, so we take usually he'll give the incorrect total. Okay, so we take some value as 300. Okay, or
Yes, sir.
400. I am taking 400. Okay, total incorrect total, total mass is 400. Okay, so from 400 we have to subtract 79, and we have to add the correct mass. Correct mass 97. Correct mass 97. Okay, so 97 minus 79. How much we are getting? What is the difference here? 18.
18, sir.
18 is the difference. Good. Okay, so now that 18 we have to add to the 400. Okay, so then it is 418. 418. Your number of subjects are, okay, so 6 here. So correct summation of x is 418 divided by 6. Then if we simplify, we get answer. Okay, so like this,
Yes,
we
sir.
use this formula. Like this, we use this formula. Okay, so next we'll solve the problems here. Exercise 20.
20, sir.
So we'll solve the exercise 20. Okay, so question number 1. Question number 1. Find the mean of, first one, the first 6 natural numbers. The first 6 natural numbers. Okay, so here, what are the first 6 natural numbers? Okay, so write the first 6 natural numbers. Okay, now I am writing first 6 natural numbers. First 6 natural numbers. Okay, what are the first 6 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Okay, so now we have to find the mean, right? We have to find the
Yes, sir.
mean. Okay, mean x bar is equals to formula sigma x divided by n. Sum of observations divided by number of observations.
Number of observations.
Add all the observations 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Add all the observations. How many numbers we are taking? 6 natural
6,
numbers.
sir.
So n is equal to 6. Now what is the total?
21 by 6, sir.
1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 50 plus, wait. Okay, so 3, 6, 10, 15 plus 6.
21, sir.
21. 21 by 6. 21 by 6. Okay, so now what we get from 21 by 6 means, is it divisible by 6? No. So
No, sir. 3, sir.
we can divide by 3 table, right? Okay, 3,
Yes, sir.
3 2s are 6, and 3 7 times.
7, sir.
Either you can write 7.2, either you can write 7 by 2, or
3.5.
2 3s are 6. Okay, 1 means 0.10, 2 5s are 10. Okay,
5, sir.
3.5. What is the
Yes, sir.
average? 3.5. Okay, average always will be in the middle of the observation. Okay, the purpose of average is to get, okay, so at what place we have the value? Okay, what is the average? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
which value? Okay, so for finding out that, we find the average. Okay, so if we go to the third question here. Okay, so the first 8 even natural numbers. The first 8 even natural numbers. Okay, first what is given? Okay, so he is asking first 8 even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. First 8 even natural numbers. Okay, what are the first 8 even natural numbers? 2,
2, 4,
4,
6,
6, 2, 4, 6, 8.
6, 8, 10,
Yes, yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
10, 12,
14.
14,
Okay,
16.
16. 8 అయిపోయా? Yes, 8 అయ్యాయి.
Yes, sir.
So 8 అయ్యాయి. So now he is asking the average. What is the average formula? What is the average formula? Okay, mean.
Means
Yeah. The formula for find out the mean x bar is equals to
sigma x by n.
sigma x by n. Okay, so now sigma x means add all these values 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. Okay, how many values are there? 8 values. It is given in the
8,
question.
sir.
8 divided by 8. Now add all these values. Add all these values. Okay, 16 plus 14. How much? 30. 30 and 12. 42. 42,
72, sir.
42, 52, 60, 70, 72. Okay,
72, sir.
72 divided by 8. Okay, so is it divisible by 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 8 ones are
9.
8 9 times. Okay, so what is the final answer then?
9.
9 is the mean average value. 9 is the mean average value. Okay, so now the next question, squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, next we are taking the fifth question, squares of the first n natural numbers. N natural numbers. Okay, what are the n natural numbers? What are the n natural numbers? Squares. Squares of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, so what are the numbers here? 1 square, 2 square,
2 square,
3
3
square,
square, 4 square,
and so on, and so on, n square,
n square.
and so on, n square. Okay, all these are the natural numbers. All these are the natural numbers. Squares of first n natural numbers. Squares we took. All the n natural numbers. N natural numbers means we took up to n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is total? Average, mean. Okay, so mean x bar is equals to sigma x divided by n is the formula. Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, that means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on plus n square divided by total. How many values are there? N values are there. It is given in the question itself. Okay, what is the sum of natural numbers formula? Do we have the formula? Yes, we have a formula. Sum of natural numbers. Okay, sigma n square is equals to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, and so on. When we have the total. Okay, and so on. Plus n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, this is the formula.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula. for find out the total
Yes, sir.
sum of the squares of the natural number. Sum of the squares of the natural number. Okay. So use this formula. If we use this formula, then what we get here, this is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 and whole divided by n. So we can write it as into 1 by n. Whole divided by n we can write as into n. Okay, into 1 by n. So what is here? We can cancel the n and n. We can cancel the n and n. If we cancel n and n, what is the final answer? Okay, so the final answer is n plus 1 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, this is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go to the next question here. Okay, so the next question is cubes of n even natural numbers. Okay, cubes of n even natural numbers. He is asking. Okay, so first here, what are the cubes of first n even numbers? Even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Okay. So what are the numbers? First take the numbers. What are the numbers? 2 cube. First number is 2 cube. Then 4 cube.
2 cube, 4 cube, 6
and
cube,
6 cube, and so
so
on.
on and cube.
Here even number means either 2n plus 2 or 2n minus 2 or 2n also. We can take as 2n.
Yes, sir.
2n form. The even numbers are like this 2n cube. Okay. Okay. So these are the numbers. Just a minute. Number. Okay. That is 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube and so on 2n cube. Okay. In this we have taken only even numbers, cubes of the even numbers. Okay, so here 2 cube we can write as 2 cube or 2 cube into 1 cube. Okay, and 4 cube we can write as 2 into 2. 4 is 2 into 2. That means we can write it as 2 cube into 2 cube. 6 cube, 6 is 2 into 3, 6. So I am writing this as 2 cube and 3 cube and so on. Okay, here also 2n is a natural even number. We represent with the 2n. So if we separate the cube, then we get 2 cube and n cube. 2 cube and n cube. So take 2 cube common. Take 2 cube common. Okay, in all the terms, then 1 cube plus 2 cube. Okay, and 3 cube. Okay, we are finding the total here, sum. I am adding all these total. Okay, sum.
Yes.
3 cube and so on plus n cube. Plus n cube. So we have the formula, sum of cubes of the natural numbers. Okay, so sigma n cube is equals to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus n cube. Sum of cubes of the natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, sigma n whole square, or n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 square, that is 4. This is the formula. Okay. Now if we use the formula here, if you apply the formula here, this 2 cube is 8 into, okay, the total. Okay, so the total is n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 twos. That means 2 into n square into n plus 1 whole square. 2 into n square into n plus 1 whole square. What is the mean here? So he is asking the mean, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here he is asking the mean. Okay, mean formula is sigma x total number of, okay, so sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, so what is the sum of observations value? Write that value here. Okay, sum of observations value, write in the numerator, that is 2 into n square into n plus 1
N plus
whole
1
square.
whole square.
Okay, and divided by total how many numbers we are taking? We are taking n even numbers. We are taking n even numbers. So write n here. Okay, we can cancel one n in the numerator and n in the denominator. So
Yes,
the
sir.
final answer will be, the final answer is 2 into n plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the required solution.
Yes, sir.
The required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next,
Sir,
yes.